Good morning, it's Sunday the 23rd of January, ready to take on my first Munro climb of the year, and yeah, really looking forward to it. It's been quite a while, I've not done one since June 21, so yeah, I've decided to choose Beinn Bhuidhe today, which is just off Loch Fyne. Stands about 955 metres. Interesting thing is it's quite a trek to actually get to it, so I've taken the bike today. I'm going to take it up through Glen Fyne and do the rest on foot from there. Hoping the cloud will clear a little bit so I can get those views at the top. But I'm ready for it. Let's see how the fitness is. I'll see you at the next one. So roughly about a kilometre in, you'll come to a house on the right hand side, and directly across the field from there is the start of the hydro path. It's the alternative way up to the top, and that takes you up to the ponds. It's a clear path all the way up there. That's me arrived at the first waypoint. It's just the deer fence that signals the start of the climb, really. A little bit of the glen to go, but no bikes allowed past here, so what I've done is I've just going to secure it to this rail here that they put in place. But the journey in so far has been lovely. What a great shout it is from a few of the YouTubers and my mate John for saying to take a bike. Take me about 20 minutes to get down here compared to the walk, which could take, you know, over an hour or so. So yeah, it really helps. If you're going to do it, make sure you take a bike. So just to give you an idea of where we're at, we're roughly down at this kind of burn down here, the deer gate just on the other page. We're going to follow this track up about 1.5 kilometres and then just work our way up around to the summit. Contours get quite steep here, so it should be a nice little climb, but that means the views are going to be good. And then just going to come back down same way, pick the bike up and cycle back. That's me got the first view at it. I'm just going up to these trees here then taking a left. So I can point out these ones here. So summit's in the cloud, not much chance of a view up there. Hopefully it'll maybe burn through there. It will take me a wee bit of time to get up there. It looks like a steady enough climb. So this is the start of the climb. It's an immediate left. We're going up this gorge almost. I'm told it's quite eroded and a little bit scrambly in places, so just take a little bit of extra care. It could be quite slippy with the weather conditions. But yeah, it looks like we're still going into the cloud. And this is where we've came from. See you at the next one. So yeah, very, very boggy underfoot. But it's all worth it when you see this. So that's just a wee bit up the hill now. Started down here, that was the last waypoint to the gate. And yeah, I can't believe I took so much water, there's plenty here. You could get away with just taking a litre of water there. Just refilling her. Yep, onwards and upwards. See you at the next one. So this is what the path is pretty much like. It is well eroded, but it's easy enough to get up. We've got the burn that follows. Slowly making progress. Right, on to the next one. Right, so that was the first wee scramble. First time I've seen the path kind of totally go away. Yeah, we're getting ever closer. Hi guys, just an update on where we are. So we came up the glen today, and now from the deer gate we traversed up the waterfall just at the top, and now we're going to take the direct path up the steep contours to Beinn Bhuidhe. So this is what's ahead of us. We're going right up the middle of that. The views are fantastic in this wee glen. So glad I came today. Hopefully the weather holds it for us. Cheers. So we're getting up a fair bit now, well beyond the top of the burn. Some spectacular waterfalls on the way up there. But look at that view. Shame about this fog. But yeah, as you can see, incline's got a bit tougher, starting to sweat, I'm a bit red. Past some other people as well, which is great. I don't often overtake people on these, but they're not long behind me now, so they might go past me again. See you at the next one. That's me going well into the clouds now. Not much to see from this point on. Again, a kilometre and a half, to the summit from here. Although I have been known to be wrong. Let's see if those army skills are still there. See you at the next one, which is hopefully the summit. So I've just reached another waypoint, and this is where we meet the hydro road. It's about a kilometre or something from the top of the waterfall. I was quite shocked to see it actually, if I'm honest. This is where we're going next, up into the clouds, up here. A lot of people go down this way actually and come up. I absolutely bottled it when I seen how steep it was, and I had the bike. I didn't fancy it, so glad I took the foot option today. But yeah, it looks like the cloud's not going to clear. But yeah, we're not far off the top now. See you at the next one. That was my first little sight of snow. Just a wee bit there. Don't think it's cramping the weather, so I'm happy for that. I've not got it with me. I'm thinking that's the summit, at least I'm hoping it is. Yeah, I'll see you at the next one. That's me a little bit down from the summit. I didn't really get much of an update up there because the conditions were really bad. Certainly no drone. It was me that was nearly getting blown off the top. I'm just back almost at the top of the gorge that I started on. Stopped for a little bit of lunch. Just taking the scenery in, I guess. But yeah, I'll post a little update once I get back to my bike, hoping it's still there. See you at the next one. That's me back down to the gate. Boy, am I happy to be off that hill. Conditions were absolutely terrible up top, and very slippy all the way down. Fell a couple of times. So yeah, short walk back to the bike now. Then I'll get through to the car park and call it a day. So that brings the day to the close. Beinn Bhuidhe done, 955 metres. Horrendous conditions, but we're back safe. Well, back to the bike, safe at least. Just a short cycle over to the car park, then I'll make my way home from there. But just want to say thanks for watching. It's been an absolute experience. I'm going to look at doing an easier one next time, hopefully on a sunny day, but quite hard to do that in the middle of winter. Yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one. A tight squeeze in here. Easy enough. Not put too much weight on at Christmas.